Welcome back to your computer application class 7. In this part of the video, we will continue the topic tables in Microsoft Essays. In this part of the video, we will learn that how to create table by using design view. So for that, let's quickly move to the database. Just see that. In the last video, I teach you how to create table by using datasheet view. In this part of the video, we will learn that how to create table by using design view. For creating table in design view, we need to click on create tab. And here we will choose an option table design. In design view, we need to specify field name and data type. In a data type section, we will get the numerous option and that options we will discuss in detail. We always need to keep a unique name for each field in a table. For example, for the student table, the field name are roll number, name, class, section, transportation, fees, date of birth, and so on. It depends on what type of data you want to save in your table. So first I'll write here roll number. For the roll number, we can set the data type as a number or as an auto number. Number data type is used to store numeric value. Here you need to keep one thing in your mind, that the number data type can also be used where you want to perform calculation. It is able to hold symbols and decimal points along with commas. We can also set the data type as an auto number. Auto number stores the sequential number for each record. So it's up to you whether you want to click on number or auto number. I'm going to choose auto number. Description part is always optional. It depends on the user whether they want to specify description or not. Description allows us to enter the detailed description of all the fields within the table. So let me write down here roll number of student. Right. Second field name I'm going to specify as a name. Name data type I'm going to set text because text is a general purpose field containing any data. It has the limit of 255 characters and this data type cannot be used for the numeric calculation. But with the help of text data type, you are allowed to enter telephone number, zip code, or the address of a person. So here I had specified the field name as a name, so I will specify only text data type and description name of students. Third one, let's specify date of birth, DOB. For date of birth, I'm going to set the data type as date and time because this data type is only used to store number representing valid dates and time. Here I will not specify description because description is always optional. Let's set the monthly fee. As the next field name, and here the data type I will specify currency. Similarly, we have the number of data type like memo. Memo has a limit of 63,999 characters which are used for details and descriptive fields like if the field name is address, in that case the data type will be memo. Yes or no option represented by the value 1 or 0. 1 represent yes and 0 represent no. But the field can be formatted to display values as true or false or yes or no. OLE store object created in another application such as Word or Excel that you can link to or fix an access table. Hyperlink data type is used to access websites, email addresses, files on your computer, files on the LAN, and virtually any other location. Lookup wizard can be used to set up multi-valued list. Attachment data type is used to attach data files from word processing programs, spreadsheet, graphics, editing programs, and so on. Depending on the requirement of data type, we can choose any data type according to the need. Whenever we create table as a database, in that case we need to set primary key, because primary key is very useful whenever we want to establish a relationship between various tables. For setting primary key in database table, we simply need to click on the field name where we want to set the primary key. Here I'm going to set the primary key for roll number. So I need to click on roll number, and here I will click on primary key. Just if you will closely observe, then here the icon of the key is available, which specifies that the primary key is allotted to roll number. Here one thing we need to observe, that whether the user provide primary key to a table or not, the Microsoft Access by default will set the primary key for a table, because primary key is always needed to set if you are creating table in Microsoft Access or in any relational database management system. Primary key field cannot be deleted in MSSS. Here I'll set the primary key. Let's close it and let's save the table as A2. Click on OK. Now, to support my point that a primary key field cannot be deleted in Microsoft Access, and if the user will not provide primary key to a table, then Microsoft Access automatically provide the primary key. Then let's check on the table A1. Here I didn't provide any primary key for the table. Let's check whether the primary key is allotted to it or not. Let's change the view of A1 table as a design view. Now see here, the primary key is automatically applied on roll number. But when I had created A1 table, that time I didn't provide primary key to any field name. By default, MSSS provide primary key to the very first field name, that was roll number. That's how we can set the data types for the design view. Let's quickly enter the data in design view table. Here roll number, let's write the name as Ram. Date of birth, here we get the option for deciding that what is the date of birth. Let's randomly select the value. Monthly fees 15. It will specify in dollars because we are using Microsoft Access, and dollar is the default currency of Microsoft Access. Let's enter the second value, Sita. That's how we can enter the data in Microsoft Access tables. I hope the concept of design view is clear for all of you. That's how we can create tables in Microsoft Access, and we can save the table like that. If you have any query regarding this chapter, please feel free to ask your queries. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.